Hi, Paul. Are you playing with a lighter? That's a very bad idea. Oh no! Whew, seems that we've gotten away with it. Oh no! Fire! Fire! Jacques! Nicholas! Paul's house is burning! We need to fight the fire quickly! Jacques! Put on the lights! Everyone will let you pass. Jacques, fire trucks can be very fast. Fire doesn't tolerate procrastination. Jacques, stop! Let's get to work! Jacques, do you know what you're doing? Nicholas, help! Well done, guys. Seems that we're getting there. Jacques, don't be distracted. That's it. The fire is extinguished. Well done, guys. But it seems that Paul's house has burned down completely. Don't be disappointed, Paul. The boys will help you repair your house. Ready! Well done, guys. Maybe Paul will make you a cup of tea. Well, that's Paul. The main thing is that you've helped him. See you soon! Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Are you busy, guys? Paul the duckling has dropped something on his foot. You can take him to the hospital. Thanks, guys. I knew I could count on you. Here we are, Paul. What happened to you? Oh, have you dropped a hammer on your foot? Poor thing. But that's okay. Jacques and Nicholas will take you to the hospital now. What's the matter? Don't you want to get in this car? What should we do? Do you have an idea, Jacques? I see. You're going to become an ambulance crew. We'll have to prepare a specialized car then. Well, let's turn this van into an ambulance fast. We'll start with the appearance. Perfect. The car became so white. A red stripe is exactly what we need. But something is missing. A red cross, of course. And a flashing light. A very useful thing on the road. The ambulance is ready. And where is Jacques, Nicholas? You've brought a first aid kit, Jacques. Good job! Do you want to take a box of paints as well? Are you going to draw? Well, should we hurry to our duckling? Perfect. Let's go then. And where's Nicholas, Jacques? Ah, he's an ER nurse today, and already inside the van. Ooh, these cars are moving so slowly. Let's turn on the flashing lights and see what happens. That's what I'm talking about. Here we are, Paul. We'll get you to the hospital now. I hope the duckling will be okay. What should we do while waiting for the news? Great! Let's draw! You are so talented, Nicholas. How are you, Paul? Just a bruise? That's great. It means that you can go back to repairing your stool. See you guys! Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Let me guess. Are you racing? Ah, right. An obstacle course is waiting for you. So, Jacques and Nicholas need to get past several obstacles. They'll need to get through mud. They'll need to jump over these cars. And they'll need to climb this mountain. Should we start? Buckle up first. Let's go, guys. The front wheel is stuck on a stone, Jacques. It looks like we failed. Let's try to jump over the cars. Whoa! We've hit a garbage truck! Let's try and climb this mountain. It seems like the car lacks power. Are you sure this is a good idea, Jacques? Oh no! You look like a crocodile, Jacques. Oh wait, you are a crocodile! Ha! It's time to do some tuning on our car, guys. To the garage! Lift the car. Where should we start? Well, the wheels... Perfect. Let's remove the suspension and the engine. Oh, looks intriguing. Check out those huge tires. A powerful engine. Great! Exactly what's needed. Let Jacques do something as well, Nicholas. Good job, Jacques. The car looks even brighter this way. Awesome! We've got a real monster truck for the show! Hurry! To the obstacle course! Let's go, guys! How about that? That's what I call power. Let's try the springboard now. Look at that! You did it! And the last challenge, the mountain. Are you ready? Let's go! Be careful, guys. Ha! You did it! Great job! Let's just drive around now. Cars seem so tiny in comparison with your monster truck. Bye, guys! Hi, Nicholas. Where's Jacques? Oh, you've decided to make a big cleanup and throw all the scrap metal away. I think we'll need a garbage truck. Oh, there it is. Let's load the garbage. Nice teamwork, my friends. It's a pleasure to watch you. Jacques, seems that you threw Nicholas away with the garbage. Nicholas, you're a real garbage man. Guys, let's collect the scrap metal from our neighbors and then head off to the recycling plant. Hello, Mrs. Duck. Is your electric stove broken? The guys will take it to the scrap metal processing plant. Nicholas, let's check if there's anything left inside. Something yummy. Seems that something yummy is spoiled. That's the right decision. that the boys didn't have a good breakfast this morning. But Mrs. Duck is in good shape today. Thank you, Mrs. Duck. What a pity. This duck will be left without a beautiful hairstyle today. Hey, just don't get carried away with the sweets. Yes, it's always difficult to part from an old dear friend. Guys, look! Someone threw a garden wheelbarrow away. The city will become cleaner with our help. Guys, it seems that the duckling came to take his wheelbarrow. It needs to be returned to its owner. I agree, Nicholas. And now let Jacques climb into the garbage truck. Jacques, be careful! Phew, we found it. Well, now he's offended. Jacques, it's as if you've never been in the garbage. Wow, you have a big enough beret, Jacques. Now we can go to the recycling plant. Here we are. Bring the scrap metal inside. But where's your garbage truck, guys? Have you handed it over to the recycling plant as well? Ah, you were given a bicycle and a scooter made out of scrap metal as a gift? Turns out that throwing the garbage away is very useful. See you soon, friends. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Ugh, it's so hot today. But you're well prepared, I see. Jacques, won't you explode? Bon appetit, then. But you have so much left. Would you share the ice cream with the others? Then let's hurry into the garage. So, we need to make a cool ice cream van. This one seems to suit our purpose. Jacques, do you have a better idea? Jacques, do you want to deliver ice cream on a dump truck? You don't have that much of it. Well, you know better. Let's go! And here's the first customer. Treat him. Wait, Jacques. Seems like something has gone wrong. Seems that your ice cream has melted completely. Yes, guys, your customer is in real trouble. Help him out. Jacques, are you all right? Looking dashing. Maybe we should go back to the garage and choose a different car. Let's try a van now. But let's make it a little bit prettier. Well done, Jacques. This is much better. Awesome, Jacques. Now everyone will understand that you're not delivering some kind of nails. Great. Now you're real ice cream men. Let's go. So guys, did everything go well? Jacques, are you hiding something? You're doing it again. Isn't it too much for you? Ah, that's how it is. You're a good kid, buddy. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Hi, Bob. What are you looking at? Oh, are you going to build a house for Bob? Excellent. Let's start building. Right, Jacques. Safety is the most important thing in construction. And you, Bob, go and get the paint for your future house. Let's take a look at our construction site. What a bumpy site. It needs to be leveled. Jacques, do you know which car we should choose for that? A tractor is an irreplaceable machine at the construction site. Go, Jacques! You're doing well! Stop, Jacques! The site is smooth enough! Don't worry, we'll have fun. Now it's the excavator's turn. We need to dig a hole for the house basement. Guys, you're doing great. Nicholas, do you like to be an excavator operator? Jacques, we're going to dig out a dinosaur like this. It's not a part of our plan. Let's get down to the house basement. We'll need the cement. What a beautiful concrete mixer. Now let's pour the cement into the hole for the basement. Jacques, are you sure? Okay, Nicholas, press the button. Jacques, can you get out of the cement by yourself? Well, You better not go up in the cabin looking like this. That's better. Let's bring timber and a roof for our house. What a spacious dump truck you have. Let's build the house then. What teamwork! The only thing left is to set up the roof. Yes, we'll have to work hard on it. Wow, the magical sandwich! Jacques, will you share the recipe? Such a beautiful house. I hope that duckling Bob will like it. And here comes Bob. How do you like the new house? Now all we need is to paint the house. You bought the paint, Bob, didn't you? I don't know about you, but I am personally satisfied with the result. Don't worry, Bob. We'll carry this soil away on a dump truck. Not a bad idea. See you soon, friends. What a lovely day today. Oh, how come? Well. And how are the ducklings supposed to cross the road now? Don't worry, Mrs. Duck. I think I know what to do. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Feeling okay as far as I can see. Still resting. Get yourselves together! Something happened over there, guys. We need your help. The road sign, "Beware the Ducklings," fell down and Mrs. Duck can't cross the road. We need to reinforce the sign with concrete so that it will never fall again. Let's hurry to the garage. We need to choose a car to get the concrete to the site, guys. I suggest that you pick this concrete mixer. It looks like Nicholas agrees with me. Do you agree, Jacques? So, what do you suggest? Are you serious, Jacques? Okay, let's do this. Let's drive concrete in a convertible. Did you choose the convertible to make Mrs. Duck like you, Jacques? Well, okay. Let's fill the convertible with concrete. But where are we supposed to pour concrete, Jacques? Are you serious? Whatever, pal. Let's go then. This is the spot. Jacques, Nicholas, get to work. What happened, Jacques? You're stuck in concrete and can't get out? Unbelievable. Any ideas, Jacques? Well. Are you going to hold the sign? We need to fix the sign and not just hold it, Jacques. And now we need to get some concrete here, Jacques. Go get the concrete mixer. Okay, good job. Hold the sign, Jacques. And you'll pour the concrete, Nicholas. Well, there you go. Stop. Okay, Jacques. Everything is in order now. Oh, what a twist! Be careful, Jacques, or we'll have to fix the sign again. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. What do you have in those buckets? Did Granny Duck give you some milk again? And are you able to drink that much? I thought so. Let's take that milk to a milk processing plant and make some wholesome products out of it. Which car should we use to transport the milk? Do you have an idea, Jacques? Jacques, are you sure that'll do? Well, let's load it up. Having a bucket in a cab of a truck will be uncomfortable, Nicholas. Did you put the milk in the fridge, Nicholas? You are such a thrifty person. The pickup truck does well for now. We won't get the milk to the destination safely like this. Guys, we will spill all the milk if we do it like this. We need to use another car. I suppose we need to look into the garage. Do you have something in mind, Jacques? Well, the cattle truck won't do. We're transporting milk, not livestock. A concrete mixer? That's a great idea! And do you know what purpose a concrete mixer serves, Jacques? It is used for holding concrete. We won't be able to use it. Maybe you'll try, Nicholas? That's interesting, but where will we put the buckets? Oh, that's what it is. We're going to pour the milk into the tank. It won't spill this way. Something else? A cooler on a hot day like this won't hurt. The milk won't go sour this way. Is that it, Nicholas? A perfect drawing. This part of the road was easy. Wonderful. The milk is safe for now. I'm scared to even look at it. Well, okay. Let me take a peek. And here's the plant. We arrived finally. Take the milk inside. How could all the milk fit in this small box, Jacques? Let's see what they've made out of our milk. Well, well, yogurt, sour milk, cream, cheese, and even more cheese. Someone's going to have some tasty sandwiches today. And now it's time to go home. Hi, Nicholas. Hi, Jacques. Where are you going? Ah, you're going to visit Paul the duckling. Great, you haven't seen him in a while. What a beautiful flower. Do you want to keep it, Jacques? Hi, Paul. Look what a beautiful flower Jacques picked. Oh no, I think it was Paul's flower. No, Jacques, you can't fix it that way. Oh, how can we comfort Paul? I think Nicholas has something in mind. But what exactly? I think I know. You want to build a new flower bed for Paul. Apparently I was wrong. Are you going to build a whole farm? Well, you're doing it wrong then. You're not supposed to plant fruits and vegetables into soil as they are. You need to plant the seeds first. Yes, but you can't just scatter seeds around. First, you'll need to plow the soil and form the patches. A plow with a planter. Perfect. A sprinkler machine, just what we need. Now you've got everything you need for the job. Let's hurry to the farm. What are we going to plant? Pineapples and coconuts? Oh yeah, those are delicious. But you see, Jacques, they only grow in the tropics. They won't survive our climate. What are your suggestions, Nicholas? Broccoli and celery. Nice choice. Besides, they're very healthy. You're not pleased, Jacques? Nicholas, Jacques wants something tastier. How about fruits and berries? All right then, let's get to work. And don't forget about the flowers. Let's plow the patches first and then plant the seeds. Now we need to water them well. I like your enthusiasm, Jacques, but let's dial it back a notch. Here we go. The only thing left is to wait for the crops. Oh no, guys! Those are crows! They can ruin the crops! Great job, Jacques! You've scared them off. But they may return. Oh, a scarecrow! Now the crows won't dare to come to our garden. Guys, I think it's time to gather the crops. Do you like our farm, Paul? Paul is satisfied. Good job, guys. Oh, what a nice crop. And look at all the flowers Paul has now. All right, bye guys. Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Decided to clean your place up? Nice job. Hello, can I help you with something? I think he's a foreigner. Yep, definitely a tourist. Jacques and Nicholas's garage is, of course, a beauty, but we've got prettier places in our town, don't we, guys? Maybe you should give your guest a tour. Yep, I've said a tour. You'll need a tour bus then. Yes, a perfect choice. A convertible? Awesome! What's that, Nicholas? A soda vending machine. I think the tourist will love it. Something else, maybe? A propeller? Why, Jacques? Okay, we'll see how it works. And what is that? Is it a secret? Okay, let's go then. Wow, the tourist brought friends. The more the merrier. There's enough room in the bus for everybody. Everyone settled? Let's go then. The tourists seem to like the tour. Oh, yeah, that's even better. How about we stop near that beautiful building? Dear tourists, you can leave the bus to take some pictures. Yeah, it's tall. It's a pity we can't look at it from above. What's the rush, Jacques? Ah, so that's what you were up to. Incredible! Wow, the wind is really strong up here. I think you're getting blown away. Oh, there's sea below already. How will we go back now? You've thought of everything, Jacques. Wow, so that's what the propeller was for. Yeah, we've got plenty of stuff underwater to look at as well. Well, that's it. The tour is over. What? It's not? A picnic? That's a great idea. It's nice to grab a bite after such adventures. Jacques, Nicholas, that tour was the best ever.